Well, we have a wild floor for you today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and we are out at one of our projects where we are installing a really cool floor. Now, you know, if you see my channel, we install a lot of flooring, from wood to laminate. We do herringbones, we do staircases, we do everything. And for me to say it's a unique floor, it must be. So this isn't a wood floor, this isn't a laminate floor, this is a vinyl floor. It's what everybody wants, and it is one of the best vinyls you can buy. It is True Love. Well, the brand's not True Love, but the color is, and this is Pprovenza. Uptown Chic, waterproof vinyl flooring, color is True Love. And how can you not truly love this floor? It's pretty awesome. And like any Pprovenza floor, you know you're getting top of the line quality. It's like the Rolls Royce of vinyl floors. It is up there, quality second to none. Just like back in the day when we were installing a lot of laminate floors, people used to ask me what's the difference between like the Pergo, which was the name brand product, the first one that came out, and say a one you can buy at Home Depot that's a knockoff brand, their store brand. Well, the difference is quality and appearance. The better floors like the Provenzas and the Pergos of their day, they always put more attention to detail on the picture, the pattern. They give you more unique patterns, but it's just quality. It's like if you were to buy a piece of artwork, you buy the original or you buy the poor, cheap quality knockoff. Well, this is basically the original. This is high quality resolution, and the attention to detail is just second to none. And it installs awesome. Now, one thing about Pprovenza, it is not a drop-in lock. The ends actually have a locking system on it, so you get a four-sided lock. Do-it-yourselfers might find this a little annoying, but if you're having this floor installed, or if you want a floor that you don't have to worry about your end joints opening up, I really recommend a four-sided locking system. Sometimes the drop-in locks, they go really quick. Everybody loves them. But over time, I've seen the ends actually, one end start to lift. Now you can hammer it down if that's happening, but you know what? Four-sided lock is just much more professional to me, and I know that all four sides are locked in, especially those end joints, which kind of tend to wiggle open from time to time on the other type of locking systems. But it looks great. Installs really nice, it cuts easy, and it has an awesome pad on the back. I've always liked installing Pprovenza. I've always considered it one of the best vinyls that you could buy. If you look at sticker price, definitely is one of the more expensive vinyl floors, but I think it's worth every penny. And of course, we're doing my favorite kind of staircase using nothing but the vinyl floor. We've actually taken the vinyl and we've bent it into stair fronts. Check that out. No introducing a nosing that may be raised on the front, or maybe a different color nosing. You don't need to. We actually take the vinyl, we bend it to the shape of the front of the step, give you a nice 2-inch looking stair tread out of it, and you have nothing but the flooring on your steps. Why do it any other way? Just makes the most sense. We even have a couple different profiles. If you like this, if you're interested in one of these staircases, we actually make these and ship these worldwide. We can buy the floor that you want to use in your home, so you don't have to ship it to us. We can buy it here, and then we can ship it directly to you, already bent and ready to install. Drop us a line. We'll be happy to fill your order. But this is it. Definitely recommend the Pprovenza floor. If you're looking for a really unique color, maybe this is the one for you. Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of our other content on vinyl floors, laminate floors, wood staircases, stair railings, my burned little puppy, and much, much more. But please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor and mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.